Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best food mills on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is OXO Good Grips Food Mill. This food mill is the perfect staple for any kitchen. Even though it's moderately priced at around $55, it's made of sturdy stainless steel materials and comes with 3 different sized blades, from fine to coarse grinds, that are simple to swap out with a spring-loaded release lever. It also has 3 non-slip legs that enable you to place it on or over any surface with ease. With a capacity of just over 2 quarts, this food mill boasts the ability to mill all your favorite foods, from sauces to jams to purees. The handle and top knob are coated with soft, non-slip silicone for a more comfortable grip and less strain during use. The stainless steel materials keep foods at the temperature they were before milling, so your hot foods stay hot and cold foods stay cold. Customers resoundingly say it's easy to use and clean, and the best food mill they've found. What we love includes discs of 3 grind sizes, moderate price, discs are easy to change, legs fold for easy storage. What we don't love may leave extra pulp behind. Number 2. Second best pick is Mirro Foley Stainless Steel Healthy Food Mill. The Mirro Foley piece of equipment comes with 1 blade that is ideal for everything from mashing to pureeing. It's available in 2 sizes, a standard 2-quart and an extra large 3.5-quart option that costs just a couple of dollars more. This food mill does not have its own legs, so it needs to be placed precisely over a bowl or other vessel, and you can use the clips on the bottom to hold it there. It makes fast work of cooked items from tomatoes to potatoes, and it does a fine job of leaving skins, peels, and seeds behind. Both hot and cold foods can be processed in this, and though it does not claim to keep them at temperature, because it's made of stainless steel, that shouldn't change too much during usage. This brand has been around for more than 100 years, and customers say the new model is superior to older ones, and many say they like how it produces applesauce and mashed potatoes that remind them of what mom made for them growing up. What we love: well made, easy to use, kept for years, comes in 2 capacities. What we don't love: occasional black residue in food. Number 3. Third best pick is Green Sprouts Fresh Baby Food Mill. Convenience is key for this all-in-one baby food mill. While you can make baby food in any mill, many parents don't want the hassle of storing the extra. For any parents who prefer to make baby food in one swoop, this food mill is ideal for its built-in serving bowl. That means that unlike with other food mills, you don't need to dirty a separate bowl to grind the food into, then have to dirty another bowl to serve it. Instead, you simply grind the food at the top directly into the serving bowl. The bowl fits safety spoons, so there is no concern on that front. It's made of BPA-free, food-safe plastic and stainless steel, making it lightweight but sturdy, as well as portable and extremely easy to clean, all things many reviewers highlight. It's also quite inexpensive. It can puree all baby food favorites, from peas to carrots to apples. Some reviewers do say it has a bit of trouble with meat, however. What we love: single serving, sturdy yet light construction, built-in feeding bowl, easy to clean and store. What we don't love: not as great with meat, tricky to remove blade from bowl. Number 4. Fourth best pick is QuasiPro Deluxe Food Mill. If you're making jam or jelly, chances are that you'll be making a solid quantity of it. As people rarely go through the work of canning for only small quantities, my search for the perfect jam and jelly food mill focused first on size. While most home cooks don't need a professionally sized food mill for jams and jellies, they do likely want one that is larger than average to ensure as few patches of scraping as possible. This extra large food mill has another element that makes it best for jams and jellies: the way it scrapes food as it mills. The innovative scraper works automatically as you turn the handle, so you get the smoothest, most continuous flow. The mill features non-slip handles and comes with 3 different disc sizes. The smallest, at 2 mm, is ideal for getting seeds out of jellies. Though its price hovers around $100, it's a worthwhile investment for home canners. Many users rave at how easy this is to operate and that it completely disassembles to make cleaning a breeze. What we love: extra large capacity, sturdy construction, enhanced scraping, non-slip handles. What we don't love: may require a bit of elbow grease to set up. Number 5. Fifth best pick is GEFU stainless steel FLOTTE food mill. Unlike foods with thick peels like potatoes and apples, tomatoes have very thin skins that can easily get caught in the blade of a food mill. Because they're also full of many seeds, the food mill can quickly become blocked and ineffective. So when looking for the most appropriate food mill to grind tomatoes, we opted to focus on ones that did the best job of scraping as they went without ever getting stuck. Enter the GEFU food mill, which customers say works powerfully to get every last bit of tomato pulp ground. It comes with 2 discs and boasts the ability to handle tough-to-grind items, from tomatoes to leeks. Hovering at around $75, it's priced slightly higher than average, but worth the money for the ease with which you can create tomato sauce. Users say that it gets the most tomato pulp of all mills they've tried, and yet is also the easiest to clean afterward. What we love: quick and effective on tomatoes, sturdy construction, reasonable price, strains well, should be able to withstand regular use. What we don't love: tricky to assemble. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.